boys and girls. Today you are working on your final draft of your stained glass inspired piece of art. The first thing you're going to need is your final draft paper, which is the thick white drawing paper that I sent you home with. You have 3 pieces, you only need 1. You will also need a pencil to start. So the first thing you need to do is to decide what's going in the middle of this piece of art. Is it going to be the Jingle Bell, or are you going to do a heart? You choose. If you choose the Jingle Bell, the first thing we do is draw the Jingle Bell. So right in the middle of your page, you're going to create a circular shape. And on that, you're going to provide the oval. It's like a really thin, squished little oval. You're going to do 2 lines curving the same way as the side of the bell on each side. On top of those, we're going to do a rounded C, like capital letter C type shape. And those pieces can be completely filled in black. At the top, we're going to give ourselves a little tiny handle, and I like to do a double line. From here, you are going to be breaking your background up into huge chunks. I like to start with 3 long lines down the side. Sorry, boys and girls, that was a song on my phone. So when I do these, I'm making sure I'm leaving a space between the shapes and my middle shape. Okay. I'm just going to fill the entire background with my shapes. Once I do that, I have some coloring to do. I'm going to be coloring all the pathways black with either a marker or a black crayon, and that includes all the way up to my shape. So even this path that is between, it gets colored black. The edges of my paper also get colored black as well. So those paths will be all throughout. Inside each shape, you're going to choose your color pattern. You can choose 2 colors up to as many as you want. I chose 4, and I did brown, teal, plum, lime. And you can see that I only had time for 1 more brown. So each shape can have its own color group, or you can do them all the exact same. When it comes to your middle piece, you are going to do your coloring like this. You're going to, if you have the bell, you're going to do your coloring around these shapes, around the edge of the bell. Okay. And then you will change colors, and you'll do your next layer right alongside that. And it's going to come up and it's going to go around. You're going to get to a point where pieces of your coloring will be falling off. And you'll get to that point pretty quickly in some of your areas. Okay. Don't forget to come back in and get any of those little spaces of white that you miss the first time around. And I have quite a few. Whoa, there's a big one over here. Alright, and then switch again. And you're just again going around that shape. And it's going to start filling in spots And for the top of the bow, you are simply going to do the dome shape, the half circle. All right. And if you want to pick, a different color to do the middle part, around and around, same thing. So you're going to keep working until it gets finished. Enjoy!